Hi dears, this is Saranya from Bhadasam Education High Secondary School, Arakona. Children, today we are going to see the subject EVS and our lesson name is Drops of Water. So, Standard 1 subject is EVS and the lesson name is Drops of Water. So in the previous session we have learned about different sources of water, right? What are the sources of water? The main source of water is rain. Yes, very good dears. And what are the different sources? Pond, lake, river, sea and ocean. These are the different sources of water. Yes, now in this session we are going to learn about the uses of water and how to save the water. Yes, water is very important to all living things. Water is very important for human beings, plants and animals. We need water to live. Right dears? Yes, water is very important for us to live and not only for us, for all the living things. Yes, now we are going to see about the uses of water. So for what are the purpose we are using water dears? We are using water to drink, for drinking, bathing and washing, then gardening and cooking. Gardening means what? Watering the plants in the garden, that is gardening. So we use water for these purposes. Not only this, we use for another purposes, for other purposes also. They are agriculture. Agriculture means what? We use water to grow crops. Crops like sugarcane, wheat, paddy, etc. So we use water for the agricultural purpose, and we use water to wash utensils. Utensils means what dears? Utensils means what dears? It is a vessel. We are using pot or a pan to cook food. Yes, mother is using some vessel to cook food to you, right? They are called as utensils. Okay, so to wash utensils we use water. And what is this? For swimming purpose also we are using water. Children, swimming is a very good exercise for our body. Yes, next we are going to see how we should save water. Why we need to save water dears? Because we use water for various purposes, for several purposes, but we have only few sources of water. What are the sources? Tell me dears. Rainwater and the pond, lake, river, sea and ocean. But we have pond and lake, river. Why we need to use? But we can use water from pond, lake and river. Why dears? Because sea and ocean contain salt water. Can you able to drink salt water? No. So we couldn't use salt water for our daily purposes. So we cannot use water from sea and ocean for our daily purposes. So we can use water from pond, lake and river. So we have only three sources of water. So we should save water and we should use the water very carefully. We must save it. We should not waste water. Now we are going to learn how to save the water. So when you are brushing your teeth, while you are brushing your teeth, you should not open the tap and you should not leave it open. Once you finish brushing your teeth, then you can open your tap. You should not do like this. So when you are brushing your teeth, you should not open the tap. This is the wrong one. So we need to save water. So you should open, once you finish brushing, you can open the tap. We should not leave the tap open while you are brushing the teeth. By this we can save water. Then, while bathing, we should take a bucket of water. We should use a bucket of water to take a bath, and we should not use showers because shower flows up plenty of water. So, we will waste plenty of water. So, to avoid that, we should use a bucket of water to bath. We should not use showers. If you are using shower, we can use low flow showers. What is low flow showers, dears? We can use moderate flowing showers to take a bath, or else we can use a bucket of water to bath. Yes, then while gardening your plants, we should use watering pots. Watering pot or can. This is called as watering can or watering pot. So we should use watering can or watering pots to water the plants. We should not use hose pipes because this pipe leads to waste plenty amount of water. So we should not use hose pipes to water the garden. We should use flowering paths. So by this we can save water. Then while washing your vehicles, we should use a bucket of water and a sponge to wash vehicles. So we should use a bucket of water and a sponge to wash our vehicles. What is vehicles, dears? Vehicles means what? Car, C-A-R, car, bike, cycle, etc. So car, bike and then bus, these are called as vehicles. So to wash vehicles, we should use a bucket of water and a sponge to wash the vehicles. We should not use hose pipe to wash the vehicle. This leads to waste plenty amount of water. So we can waste more amount of water by using hose pipe. But we have to use only a bucket and a sponge to wash our vehicles. Then, while washing a fruit or a vegetable, we should use a bowl. We should use bowl. Bowl means a vessel. We should use a vessel while washing a fruit or vegetable. We should not hold the fruit in a hand and we should not wash like this. By this, we can save more amount of water. We should not do like this. We should save water, right? So, we should use a bowl to wash fruits and vegetables. Then, using a sensor taps in public places. Public places means public places like mall, theatre, temple, etc. So, we should use sensor taps. What is sensor tap, dear? What is sensor taps? So, this tap will flow when you show your hand at the side. So, as you see in this picture, when you show your hand at the side, the tap starts flowing. When you take your hands back, the tap will stop. Okay, so when you show your hand at the side of the tap will start flowing with water. So, when you take your hand back, the water will stop. So, by this we can save plenty amount of water. We can avoid leakage of taps and we can avoid by leaving the tap open. So, we should use sensor taps in public places other than using a normal tap. Children, now we are going to learn how to save rainwater. Yes. So, in the rooftop of the building, in the terrace or on the top of the building, the rainwater is collected, right? So, we have to collect that rainwater in a large barrels. Barrels means cans or a tank. This is called as barrels. We should collect the rainwater in a barrels from the root through pipes. So, this is pipe. So, from the root, we have to bring a pipe connection and it should be connected to a large tank or a barrels. So, the water from the roof will be collected to this barrels. Make sure, children, this barrel should be covered with a lid because this avoids the mosquitoes and other flies in our house. So, we should cover the barrels. So, make sure that barrels are covered using a lid. So, the water will fill. After the rain, what will happen? The water will fill in this barrels, right? So, we can use this water for various purposes like gardening and to wash clothes or to wash vehicles. So, we can use this water for various purposes. This is how we can save rainwater. As children, will you do this, children? Yes, insist your mother or father when they are wasting water, you should insist that we should save water. So, don't leave the tap open. If you are seeing any tap is left open, what do you have to do? You have to rush there and you have to stop the tap. Okay, children, will you do that, children? In the description, we have attached subject material, question bank and self-assessment. Parents, please guide your child to do self-assessment. Thank you, dears. Bye-bye.